are a family of three who love to go into adventures. Emily and Papa are fond of filming our trips and eventually decided to share it with you all. We hope to inspire you and join our journey. We are the family side trip. Come on guys, it's gonna be fun.
The Green Planet Dubai will take you to a whole new world of tropical rainforest in an Arab country. It is a biodome that houses different types of plants and animals. At the entrance, we were greeted by a bunch of piranhas and other kinds of fishes.
What are those fishes? Are those piranhas? Are those piranhas? No, I don't think so.
Wow, big fishes! Oh, those are piranhas!
Look here, Gab. There's a lot in here. Yeah.
Do not touch, tease, or feed any of the animals along your journey for both your safety and theirs. Thank you and enjoy your visit.
The world's largest species of tarantula in terms of its diameter. Wow, it's real!
The Green Planet journey starts from the highest level of the dome that showcased several tropical bird species.
Look at the yellow one there, oh.
And as we went down, we encountered different types of animals like sloths, spiders, snakes, and many more.
Yeah, he's there now. The sloth is awake already.
Look at his name.
Yeah, it's so long. Let me touch it.
This is a python, ball python.
Is this adult size?
No, it's still young. This one.
Gab, wanna hold it?
I hold it off.
No, it's not. It's like leather. It's like leather, actually. Try to touch it. Uy.
Wow, very good.
One more. Only you.
Look, they don't bite. Python, they don't bite. They squeeze.
It's like a leather.
Frog.
Yeah, look, is this a poisonous one?
Yeah, look at the other one on the back. What's that? Gab, look. Gab, look. Gab.
Look at Papa's shirt. What is that? What is that?
Bird. Hello. You look pretty. Hi. Oh, Gab, look. What's that?
Hissing cockroach from Madagascar.
It's a hissing cockroach.
Tomato frog, like tomato. You want to hold this one? You want to touch? I can touch.
You wanna touch it? Wanna touch a cockroach? Yeah, try it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a what?
Hold your hand like this.
Yeah, brave.
Yeah, they're so small.
Yeah, they're small.
Even though we finished seeing all the animals, we decided not to go home yet because we wanted to experience the thunderstorm spectacle inside the dome. We had our lunch and Gab played outside for a bit while waiting for the thunderstorm experience timings.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for
racing close. It sounds like there's a storm approaching. Tropical thunderstorms are very common in the rainforest, and it looks like we're about to get caught in some afternoon showers. Don't fret. If you're looking to stay dry, we simply ask that you move to the nearest balcony or ramp area. Now, on the other hand, if you want to have some fun in the rain, feel free to move towards the middle of the biome and enjoy the storm.
As we expected, Gab was uncomfortable with the audio effect of thunderstorms because he is not a fan of roaring sounds. But we did enjoy feeling the wind and some sprinkle of the rain on our skin. The Green Planet Dubai is open daily from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. They also offer a closer encounter experience with the animals, like snorkeling with the piranhas, camping in the rainforest, and also you could be a zookeeper for a day. Summer is here, and if you're looking for some indoor fun, why not try the Green Planet? For our next video, Gab had a playdate at X Park Jr. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, just click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching!